Hey JVs, thanks for checking out Flash Profits. So this is my first solo launch and I'm bringing you a method I've been using for over a year now. It's sort of built on the domain and work I've done before, and it's an easy method anyone can follow. There's no technical skills required, there's no list required, no product creation, no paid traffic, nothing like that. And it's really a new £100 a day method that's newbie friendly. The funnel's made up of the front end and 3 upsells. The front end is going to start at $7.95 and it's a time sale up to $12.95 over the course of the launch. And OTOs are priced at $17, $37 and $67 just to try and get you more sales at each level. And there's also a JV contest with top prize is $75 for first place, $50 for second, and $25 for third. And if you go on down the page, you'll see get everything you need to know about the product, and you'll also see a link to the sales page preview, which is still working on at the minute. And if you need anything else, Facebook links down below, just hit me up and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers.